I'm about to blow up eventually. Funny how making this music just felt like a hobby, but soon it became a necessity. They wanna know how I made it this far. I tell them this wasn't made overnight. Learn from mistakes I was doing it wrong. This type of grind, I'll be getting it right. Spend too much time in the dark. Seem like the old that came to the light. I do it all for the love of the fans. You do it all for the bitches and hype. I cannot live like I'm somebody else.
Alright, what's up guys? I honestly don't know if this is in a video or if this is going to be its own video. This might be the last nice day of the year. So I at least got to take the FD and get it full of fuel before it goes into storage. Fill it up with some premix, throw some fuel stabilizer in it. So we're going to take this out for a ride. I don't think I've taken you guys out in this car all year. Let's get this thing started up and get it out. Go get some fuel. Starts right up. I love this car so much. It smells so good, that premix. And she's out. All right, I'm gonna let this thing warm up for a little bit. I'll see you back in here. I always forget how dirty this thing is with these R888s on it. You like barely touch the wheel and it takes off. This thing is planted. This is such a nice car. I should just sell the damn thing though. It just sits here. This is my third time having it out this year. Not even gonna lie to you guys. A waste. Just amazing how nice this car runs. Like I swear, putting transmission fluid in this thing after it's been stored is a lifesaver. I've driven these cars. I test drove a car that was sitting for like 2 years. Just ran like dog shit, man. They just get so gummed up. They pretty much need rebuilt even if you don't rip a seal. This thing is glued to the road. This thing just loves to rev out too, man. You can just cruise at like 5 grand. This thing is happy. I love this car. Why don't I drive it? Because I'm a weirdo. I want all these cars and you can't drive more than one. What the hell is wrong with me? I'll throw you guys on my head after I get some fuel and we'll go beat on this thing a little bit. Alright, let's throw some premix in there. Putting 8 ounces in for like 20 gallons because I still have my oil metering pump hooked up, so if you guys can hear this fucking thing. This thing sounds amazing. There we go. Told you I was gonna beat on her a little bit today. It's hard because every time you're on the driveway, these R888s do not want to spin. You hook every time. These tires are too good to be trying to do donuts. You're gonna break something. You don't break an axle or something if you start out on concrete or asphalt. That's why I would start in the dirt and then work my way to the driveway. You cannot start doing a donut or a burnout or anything in these tires. They're just too damn sticky. I mean, I guess if it was like pouring down rain or something maybe, but I'm gonna let this thing idle for a little bit, let it cool down. You don't ever want to put a rotary away burning hot. At least let some oil get through them turbos, let this thing cool down a little bit. There you go. She pretty much ready to go away for winter. I will probably give her a bath and then, you know, put her in her normal spot over there. Throw a cover on her. Definitely needs a good detail. Just been sitting forever. It's ridiculous. If you want to buy this thing, make me an offer. The interior is mint. If you've been here for a while, back when I first got this car, I completely stripped the interior and detailed every little piece with a toothbrush. And these tires are good. They're just muddy now. I also took the Huracan out the other day. That'll probably be another video. And it's also supposed to get up to like 60 Friday. So I'll probably take this back out. That'll be in the next video. That's pretty much it, man. Definitely used like cleaned up under here. I got a radiator for it too. I got a coil somewhere. Gotta do that. I've been super focused on the FD. The Duramax needs a head gasket. And I'm not even going to do it. I'm going to pay someone to do the head gasket on the Duramax because I'd rather work on the VR4 than waste time on the Duramax, which I need the Duramax for winter. So it's not really wasting time. I'd rather pay someone else to do it and focus on this. This car is amazing though. It's so dirty. If it stays nice this weekend, I actually might put the other I might put the BBSs on there and really go beat on the FD. These tires are done, son. I mean, there's a lot of tread on there, but they're so old, they're like freaking hockey pucks. They're so hard. Look forward to that, I guess. But I will see you in the next video, which will be Monday. I'm still planning on having this thing started. So see you in the next one, guys. And hopefully the VR4 is running. I just moved it up so I could get a picture for a thumbnail. This thing is packed full of dirt everywhere. Yeah, she's definitely getting a bath before I put it away. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Like I said, leave down in the comments if you're interested in this. Tell me what you're willing to pay for it. But if you're really interested in it, and you got the cash, and you're going to actually drive this thing, I might be willing to sell it. Like I said, it really just sits here, and I'm kind of ashamed of that, to be honest with you. So I will see you in the next one.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. Said my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit.